So does your project involves lots and lots of Excel files, or lots and lots of file variations of different designs, or any other things? Could be storyboards, prototypes, and you have forgot to keep a track of it. Maybe you have even forgot how many change requests you have worked upon, or how many other variations you have worked upon, or even if you have worked more than the agreed scope. Hi, my name is Atin, and today I am going to be talking about the one and only project management tool which I use to keep things easy, simple, and e- uh, you know very clear for me as well as for the client. So most of the times, what happens is when we start out freelancing, even when I started out, I did not have a proper system in place. I used to get project, I used to work, and I did not keep a track of how much extra I have worked, or a much better s- word to that is how much extra tasks that I had done. Okay, because let's be frank, uh, we are charging for a certain amount of work, and if there's more work, which is which could even involve more than agreed upon changes, it definitely comes into the chargeable category. So how do you know? So while coming up with while facing such issues, I came across a life-saving project management tool. It's actually it's free, first of all, and it really is simple, and you can actually customizes it to the way you want it to. So without creating a further suspense, the number one project management tool which I use in my day-to-day projects is Trello. Okay. It's Trello. It's very simple, and the one tip that I can give you on using Trello, on how to organize. Probably this can work in any other project management tool also, as in how to organize things. So I keep things very simple. First is I make a collection of I make a board called resources, wherein I keep each and every documents which are central, like deliverables. If they like to use Dropbox, we put a Dropbox link in there. If someone is using any Google Sheet or any Google Drive, we put that in there. So it's just a collection of resources at a single place, and then I have a to do, doing, and done. It's as simple as that, and based upon your needs, you can add uh, as much customizations as possible, right? To each one his own or her own. So yeah, so if you guys found this useful, and if you want to know more, if you want to learn more about it, drop me a personal message saying I am interested, because I am on a mission to help 100,000 designers do great work, increase their income, and change the way people experience this world. For that, I have created a VIP mastermind group, and I would like you guys to be a part of that group. So message me personally, and I'll send you the invite to that group. Okay. Bye bye.